If you're an entrepreneur, you need to hear this. Making money while you sleep is possible. In 2024, passive income can be your reality. Stay tuned, and I'll share a simple strategy that could change your financial game. Let's make it happen. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. Hey, what's up everyone? It's Alfonso Brooks with Money Smart Basics, and let's talk about the daily grind. You know, that feeling of waking up to an alarm, clocking in, and trading your precious time for money. It's the reality for so many of us, but what if I told you there's a better way? Imagine a life where money flows in, even while you sleep. That's the power of passive income, a game changer in today's economy. Now, more than ever, having multiple income streams isn't just a luxury, it's essential. The truth is, relying solely on that 9-to-5 can be risky. Unexpected layoffs, rising living costs, and economic downturns can leave you feeling vulnerable. That's why building passive income is crucial for financial security and peace of mind. Passive income is about creating financial freedom and flexibility. It's about designing a life where you're not chained to a desk, but free to pursue your passions. Whether it's traveling the world, spending more time with loved ones, or simply enjoying life's simple pleasures. Imagine waking up without the dread of the alarm clock, knowing your money is working for you, not the other way around. That's the beauty of passive income. It's about building a safety net, securing your future, and living life on your terms. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of passive income. We'll uncover the secrets, debunk the myths, and explore the best strategies to start building your own passive income streams. So if you're ready to break free from the grind and unlock true financial freedom, then buckle up and hit that play button because this video is for you. Let's be real for a second. Most of us are caught in the active income trap. We trade our time and skills for a paycheck, we work a certain number of hours and get paid for those hours. Sounds simple, right? But there's a catch, a big one. This system limits your earning potential. You're essentially capped by the number of hours you can realistically work. No matter how much effort you put in, there's a ceiling to how much you can earn. And if you stop working, the income stops too. That means no vacations, no sick days, and definitely no early retirement without serious financial planning. It's like running on a treadmill. You have to keep going just to stay in the same place. The problem with trading time for money is that time is finite. You only have 24 hours in a day, and once they're gone for good. Every hour you spend working for someone else is an hour you can't get back, an hour you could be spending on things you truly value. Passive income, on the other hand, flips the script. It's about leveraging your time, skills, and resources to create income streams that work for you, even when you're not actively working. It's about building assets that generate income automatically, freeing up your time and energy for the things that truly matter. Relying solely on active income can feel like walking a tightrope. One unexpected event, a job loss, an illness, an economic downturn, can throw your entire financial world into chaos. It's a precarious position to be in, and it leaves you vulnerable to forces beyond your control. Passive income acts as a safety net. It diversifies your income streams, reducing your dependence on any single source. It provides a financial cushion, a sense of security knowing that even if one income stream dries up, you have others to fall back on. It allows you to weather the storms of life with greater resilience and peace of mind. The good news is, breaking free from the active income trap is entirely possible. It starts with a shift in mindset, a realization that you're not limited to trading your time for money. It's about embracing the possibilities of passive income and taking control of your financial future. In the following sections, we'll dive deep into the different types of passive income streams, explore practical strategies for building them, and equip you with the knowledge and tools to unlock true financial freedom. This is about more than just making money. It's about designing a life you love, a life of purpose, passion, and financial security. So stay tuned, because things are about to get interesting. Alright, let's dive into the exciting world of passive income streams. Remember, this isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. This is about building sustainable income sources that can grow over time, providing you with financial freedom and peace of mind. The beauty of passive income is that it comes in many forms. Whether you're passionate about real estate, have a knack for creating digital products, or prefer a more hands-off approach with investments, there's a passive income stream out there for you. Let's explore some of the most popular and effective ways to generate passive income in 2024 and beyond. Remember, diversifying your income streams is key to building a solid financial foundation. Real estate has long been a cornerstone of wealth creation, and for good reason. It offers a tangible asset with the potential for appreciation and cash flow. While it often requires an upfront investment, the long-term rewards can be substantial. One popular strategy is investing in rental properties. By becoming a landlord, you can generate monthly income from rent payments, while also benefiting from potential property value increases over time. Platforms like Airbnb and VRBO have also opened up opportunities for short-term rentals, providing even greater flexibility and earning potential. Remember, real estate investing does come with its own set of responsibilities, from property management to tenant relations. However, with proper research, due diligence, and a solid understanding of the market, real estate can be a powerful engine for generating passive income for years to come. The internet has revolutionized the way we work, connect, and yes, even earn passive income. The digital landscape is brimming with opportunities to monetize your skills, passions, and creativity, often with minimal upfront investment. One popular avenue is creating and selling digital products. This could include online courses, ebooks, templates, stock photos, music, or software. Once created, these products can be sold repeatedly online, generating passive income with each sale. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative option, where you promote other companies' products or services on your website, blog, or social media channels and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. The key here is to focus on a niche you're passionate about and build a loyal audience that trusts your recommendations. Investing is the classic example of passive income. It's about putting your money to work in assets that have the potential to grow over time, generating returns without requiring constant effort on your part. The stock market, while not without its risks, offers opportunities to invest in publicly traded companies, potentially earning dividends and capital gains as share prices increase. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, allow you to invest in real estate without the hassle of property management, while dividend-paying stocks provide regular payouts based on company profits. Remember, investing always involves some level of risk, and it's essential to do your research, diversify your portfolio, and consider your risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. Consider consulting with a financial advisor if you're unsure about where to start or need personalized guidance. With so many passive income opportunities available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right ones for you. The key is to assess your interests, skills, resources, and risk tolerance. Are you passionate about creating content, teaching others, or building online communities? Digital products or affiliate marketing might be a good fit. Do you have a knack for spotting undervalued properties or managing tenants? Real estate could be your path to passive income. Are you comfortable with market fluctuations and long-term growth strategies? Investing might be the way to go. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to passive income. The best strategy is to choose streams that align with your goals, interests, and lifestyle. Experiment, diversify, and don't be afraid to try new things as you build your passive income empire. So, you're pumped about passive income, but maybe feeling overwhelmed. Where do you even begin? The key is to start small, focus on one stream, and master it. Don't spread yourself too thin trying to tackle everything at once. Think of it like building a house. You don't start with the roof, you lay a strong foundation first. Choose one passive income stream that resonates with you, that you're genuinely interested in, and dive deep. Learn everything you can about it, research successful strategies, and develop a plan. Remember, building passive income takes time and effort. It's not about overnight riches, but about consistent action and a commitment to the long game. By focusing on one stream initially, you can dedicate your energy to building a solid foundation for future growth and expansion. Whether you're creating digital products, investing in real estate, or exploring other avenues, identifying your niche is crucial. It's about finding your sweet spot, the intersection of your passions, skills, and the market's needs. What are you knowledgeable about? What problems can you solve? What are people willing to pay for? These are all questions to consider when defining your niche. By focusing on a specific area, you can become an expert, build credibility, and attract a targeted audience. Think of it like fishing. In today's digital age, establishing a strong online presence is paramount for passive income success. Your website, blog, or social media channels act as your virtual storefront, showcasing your expertise, products, and services to a global audience. Invest time in creating high-quality content that educates, entertains, or solves problems for your target audience. Engage with your followers, build relationships, and establish yourself as a trusted authority in your niche. Remember, content is king. Consistently providing valuable content will attract visitors to your platform, build trust, and ultimately drive conversions and sales. Utilize search engine optimization, or SEO techniques to improve your website's visibility in search results, driving organic traffic and expanding your reach. One of the most appealing aspects of passive income is the potential for automation. By leveraging technology and streamlining processes, you can create systems that generate income with minimal ongoing effort. For digital products, platforms like Shopify and Gumroad automate the sales and delivery process, allowing customers to purchase and access your products instantly. Email marketing services can automate your communication with subscribers, nurturing leads and promoting your offerings. In real estate, property management companies can handle day-to-day operations, collecting rent, addressing maintenance issues, and dealing with tenants, freeing up your time and energy. The key is to identify areas where automation can save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on strategic growth and expansion. Building passive income is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, persistence, and a commitment to consistent action, even when results seem slow to materialize. Don't get discouraged by setbacks or initial challenges. Remember, success leaves clues. Study successful passive income earners in your niche, learn from their experiences, and adapt their strategies to your own approach. Embrace a mindset of continuous learning and improvement, always seeking ways to optimize your systems, refine your offerings, and expand your reach. The most important thing is to start, to take that first step, no matter how small. Every action you take, every piece of content you create, every investment you make brings you closer to your goal of financial freedom. Wow, we've covered a lot of ground today. From the limitations of active income to the vast potential of passive income streams, we've explored the path to financial freedom and a life lived on your terms. Remember that feeling we talked about at the beginning? Waking up without the alarm clock, knowing your money is working for you? That's the dream, and it's closer than you think. It's about designing a life where you're not defined by your job, where you have the time and resources to pursue your passions, spend time with loved ones, and contribute to causes you care about. That's the power of passive income. It's about reclaiming your most valuable asset, your time. The best part? You are in the driver's seat. You get to choose the passive income streams that resonate with you, that align with your skills, interests, and goals. Whether it's real estate, digital products, investments, or a combination of different avenues, the possibilities are endless. The key is to take action. Don't let fear, doubt, or overwhelm hold you back. Start small, focus on one stream, and master it. As you gain experience and confidence, you can diversify your income sources, building a solid foundation for lasting financial security. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So, what's it going to be? What's the one passive income stream you're most excited about? What's the first step you can take today to turn that excitement into action? Maybe it's researching rental properties in your area, brainstorming digital product ideas, or opening an investment account. Whatever it is, write it down, create a plan, and commit to taking that first step. Remember, even small actions, taken consistently over time, can lead to remarkable results. The most important thing is to start, to keep moving forward, and to never give up on your dream of financial freedom. I'm here to support you every step of the way. Subscribe to this channel for more tips, strategies, and inspiration on building passive income and achieving financial freedom. Join our community of like-minded individuals, share your journey, and let's learn and grow together. The world of passive income is waiting for you. Embrace the possibilities, take action, and unlock your full financial potential. Remember, the best time to start building passive income was yesterday. The next best time is now. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promise. Struggling with finances? Here's a game changer. Automate your savings. Set up a monthly auto transfer to your savings account. No more "I forgot" or "I don't have time." Start small, watch it grow, and thank yourself later. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos.